The elites of Erinje too have consulted with you. The youth, I present to you Barrister Aderehinwo. Apart from more consult pẹ̀lú náà, mo bí àwọn ìlú láì, mo bí àyàrá òní ìlú, mo bí àwọn ìlú náà bá wá sínú àsìkò jábá wa gbé òkè, àyẹ̀fọ́ jíde Aderehinwo. Àlùmọ́ kété sí àkọ́wá ni. Ọmọ ní wọ́n yàtọ̀ àwọn òkè ooo. So, consultation. Aluma. Ètè jẹ́ tó. Aluma. Léèdì ká ní lẹ́fẹ̀ ẹ̀ mọ̀ fọ́ olùfẹ́ wo. Kábíyèsí, with your permission, Barrister Jide Aderehinwo was born nearly 64 years ago to the family of Ezekiel Akeboyije Aderehinwo in the other orders of Erinje Kingdom. He completed his secondary education, elementary education at Methodist Primary School, Lisa, and his secondary education at Ishero Grammar School in Odigbo, now Odigbo local government, Ondo State. He earned his diploma in law and Bachelor of Laws (LLB) from Lagos State University. Following his background in law, he proceeded to obtain his Bachelor of Barrister Law (BLL) degree and completed his professional law training. Barrister Aderehinwo is a member of the Institute of Arbitrators, having passed the necessary examination. He dedicated his 35 years of his career to the Federal High Court, Nigeria, retiring as Assistant Chief Registrar in 2018. Subsequently, he established his private practice, popularly known as Jide Aderehinwo & Co. the same year after his retirement. During his tenure at the Federal High Court, he had the opportunity to engage in various leadership and management courses within and outside the country. Most especially after the country, he attended the Senior Management Training Workshop at the Abu Dhabi headquarters in Dubai in 2016. He attended leadership skill training in China in 2017. In December 2017, he participated in the senior level management course in Rome, Italy. After which, he also attended the management courses in Accra, Ghana in 2010. He was also there when the popular leadership workshop in Paris, Louis, Mauritius in 2012. He participated in e-filing workshop in New Delhi, India. Barrister Aderehinwo was also at leadership training in Dubai in 2015. And he was on the delegation that represented the Nigerian Bar Association, NBA, at the International Conference in Singapore in 2007. The incoming chairman is also an active member of several professional bodies, including the Nigerian Bar Association and the Institute of Chartered Administrators. We can go on and on. We can go on and on. But this is the profile of our PE for the incoming chairman of the ECPA. And happily, Barrister Aderehinwo is married to Mrs. Caroline Monisola Aderehinwo, and the family is richly blessed with jide, male and female. Thank you.
We can see the rich citation of the two people. I'm a passport. But the power conferred on me as your role begoer of Erinje, this day, 26th and 28th day of December, year 2024, installed you, Barrister Jide Aderehinwo, as the president of Erinje Community Development Association. Congratulations.
Sorry.